Wow, Chiral, a taste of summer wrapped in nostalgia. Friend Debojit always invites us to enjoy seasonal fruits. Today he brought over some seasonal treasures, fragrant ripe chiral and a jackfruit from Mintu's house. We prepared it just like old times, sliced, chilled and mixed with creamy milk and sugar. With the first bite, I wasn't just tasting a fruit, I was tasting summer's past. There was a time when almost every home in our village had a cereal tree. It wasn't just a plant, it was tradition, comfort, rhythm. Now, with the rush to clear land for tea gardens, many such beloved fruit trees have faded away. But Chiral, or Muskmelon, as it's known in English, still holds its ground in our hearts. This isn't just about a fruit, it's about preservation of taste, memory, and heritage. It's about the joy that comes from something so simple and yet so deeply rooted in who we are.